The listing dashboard will display your product information at the very top, and then all of the PPC related statistics will show right down over here. And there'll be some charts where you can see your gross profit, ad spend, and profit. And then of course you can get rid of some of these stats. You can keep some. You can compare and contrast different ways as you see fit. So the most important thing for the listing start page is right over here. As we discussed in the last video, the profit margins can be updated on this page. The other thing you'll see is there'll be negative word lists here for shielding. So we described shielding in the campaign optimization videos, and everything in shielding is going to be listed over here. So if you did a negative exact inside of your campaign and you wanted to shield that for future purposes when you make new campaigns, you can keep those words right over here. And this way, in the future, you can simply copy these words and add them into a campaign as a negative exact or a negative phrase, and then use that to your advantage so you don't have to spend money on wasted money on ad spend in the future. And then right at the very bottom of the start page are going to be all of the campaigns that have this SKU located inside of it. It's a great way to see an overview as to how many campaigns you have for a particular SKU. All right, so next we will be talking about keyword tracking and ways to optimize your listing.